In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon Maxify GX5050 printer. First step is to go to the back of the printer. At the back side you will see there is an option to remove this section and you can take out the paper that is stuck here. Once you are done, just place it back. In case the paper is still inside, you don't have the access, you can open the ink chamber. You will have a direct access for this section and you can just take the page out from here. Once you are done, just close it. And in the last you have to check the paper tray. Make sure the paper is installed properly and there are no overlapping or there is no damaged paper inside. Anything stuck here you can also take out. Once you clear the paper jam, just click OK on the main screen and you should be ready to use it. Thanks for watching.